Happy fall! We are up in the mountains today camping and it is beautiful. The leaves are just starting to change and the air is crisp. So I thought, how fitting, let's go ahead today and make a pumpkin recipe. So stay tuned. Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and thank you for joining me today on this beautiful fall day. You know, our camping channel is all about helping you have a better camping experience. So if you like this video, hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss when we put out new tips and tricks and new recipes like the one we're going to do today. So today we are going to make a pumpkin cake in the Dutch oven. So here's how you put it together. So if you've seen any of my videos in the past, I'm all about easy, and this is easy. So what this pumpkin cake takes is some condensed milk, some pumpkin spice, some, of course, the pumpkin, a yellow cake mix, some pecans, a couple eggs, and then a lemon lime drink. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this together. Let's start out with our yellow cake mix. Put that in. We've got, let's see, a 14-ounce can of condensed milk. We've got our 15-ounce can of pumpkin. We're going to take a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Couple eggs, and then it calls for a cup of some type of lemon lime soda, so we're just going to measure it in here. We're up camping and I don't have my measuring cup. Okay, once again, this is easy. We're going to get this all stirred up good. Ooh, that pumpkin smells delicious. Now, while I'm mixing this up, John is getting the coals ready. We're going to be baking this at 350 for 45 minutes. So we need 16 coals on top of the Dutch oven and 8 coals underneath. Okay, now when we put this in the Dutch oven, you can spray it with some type of cooking spray, or you can use a liner. And today we're just going to put it directly into the pan. I've sprayed it really well. And let's go ahead and get that done. So we've got our Dutch oven. We're just going to dump this in. I'm a fan of anything pumpkin. Pumpkin lattes, pumpkin pie. So that's why I thought this pumpkin cake would be really, really fun. Okay, we've got it in the Dutch oven. Now we're just going to take our pecans and sprinkle them on top. So we've got 16 on top and then 8 down below, and we're going to let this cook for 45 minutes. There you go. Ooh, smells so good. So thank you for joining me today. That was a lot of fun. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Oh, and don't forget, hit the subscribe button, because we are going to be making a full Thanksgiving dinner while we're camping up in the mountains with all of our gear, and I don't want you to miss it. So from Let's Go Now Adventures, I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.